Hello, friends. It's another beautiful day, and you guys are welcome to my channel. Hope you all are doing well. In today's video, I share with you how to slaughter and butcher a chicken, and I have my full grown cock over here, which I'm going to use. So, let's get into the video. I will start by giving it water for some time before killing it. This is how we normally do it in our homes before killing it. So please stay tuned and don't go anywhere. So this is our chicken over here in our bowl. I will go ahead and add hot water. The water should be really hot, and I'll just let it sit in it for some few minutes. Then after that, I will start removing the feathers from the chicken. I'm removing the feathers from the chicken, and the water is very hot, so you cannot dip your hand into it. So I'm just doing it by turning it from one side to the other until every feathers on the chicken is removed.
Smoky beat, let's go.
So far, after removing all the feathers from the chicken, this is what I have now, and I'm going to put this on the fire just to get rid of any stubborn feathers that was not removed, and also to make the skin firm for easy cutting of the chicken meat. We are done with the roasting, and it's time for me to bath the chicken. I added some salt to the water. That is what I'm using to bath the chicken, just to remove every germs from it.
Smoky beat, let's go.
Our chicken on the chopping board. It's time to butcher the chicken, and I'll start with the leg. And chicken also have so many joints, so if you want to have it easy when cutting, you really have to look for where there is a joint, then you cut. So that is what I'm doing right now. After cutting the legs, I will go ahead and cut the head, and also I will move to the thighs. There is a joint, so with the joint, it makes it so easy when cutting the chicken thighs, and that is what I'm doing. I will just go ahead and flip it from where there is a joint and then cut it. I will do the same to the other thighs too. After removing the thighs, I'll move to the neck before going to the arms. And this cock is full grown, and the bone is also very hard to cut. And that is what you are seeing now. The bone is very, very hard to cut. After that, I'll move to the arms and also cut it from where there is a joint. I'll do the same to the other one too. This part is the most delicate part when cutting the chicken. You really have to be very, very careful with this. I'm now going to take my time to remove the intestine and also remove the liver and the bile from this part of the chicken. So that is what I'm doing now. So I'm going to get the intestine, everything out from the inside.
Smoky beat, let's go.
So I'm almost done removing the intestine and the other product from the inside of the chicken, and this is it. I am done now. So I'm going to break this and cut them into any size that I want. So this the liver and the bowel which is stick together. You have to be extra careful when dealing with this part. So the green thing over here is the bowel and they are all together. So I'll just take my time to remove the liver and also do the same to the other part, and I'll just get rid of the bowel. After that, I'll also cut my gizzard into two and remove the food particles from the gizzard. Guys, I'm almost done with my cutting. I'm now dealing with the feet. I'm going to cut every unwanted part from it. And as you know, the festive season is fast approaching. A lot of people will be buying this bed, and please just hurry up before the price increase again. And if you're watching me for the first time, you are welcome. This is Getty's World. Please don't hesitate to click on the subscribe button and also like this video, share this video among your friends. And I want to say thank you to all my returning subscribers for always coming back to watch my video. I really do appreciate it a lot. So please let's continue.
Smoky beat, let's go.
Guys, this is the final result of our chicken, which has been cut into portions. Which part do you enjoy the most? Let me know in the comment section below. Thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Share this video among your friends. Till I come your way again. See you in my next video, and peace be with you.